call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I
Good morning, peeps. I just woke up and welcome to a new vlog. So, today my friend Nandadeep is coming over, and for those of you guys who don't know Nandadeep, he is the guy who designed the logo that you can see out here, and especially in my intro. So, I'll be meeting him after 10 years, and let's get started with the day. So for Nanadeep, I'm planning to make a dessert. So this is my own invention. It's a 3 ingredient dessert, very easy to make. And I'll show you guys the recipe. You guys can try it at home if you wanna. So let's go and make some dessert. And some bourbon biscuits. So there is a story how this recipe came. So when we were in college, broke as shit, like me and my friends wanted to have dessert. So we did not have much money on us. So we bought some bourbon biscuits, some Amul Taza, and Milkmaid, because it was easier to store Milkmaid because it's a one-time use, and after that you can just throw off the can rather than storing sugar. So this is how this was born. It's really easy. Add some milk, add the biscuits, and add Milkmaid. That's it, and it tastes awesome. So we have come to our school. Because of COVID, we are not allowed entry into the school, but we are just enjoying outside. And here is Nandadeep. He's trying to take some pictures. Nostalgia running high.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Blue and you are shades of grey, living day to day, even when we're free. It's true.
Kids, so all these trees are amla trees. I don't know what's amla called. What's amla called in English?
आंवला
Yes, all these are amla trees. And जब हम लोग छोटे थे ना, तो यहाँ आके ना इसको पूरा ऐसे ऐसे करके शेक करते थे एंड वी यूज्ड टू कलेक्ट आंवला एंड पूरे स्कर्ट में ऐसे आंवला एकदम ठूस ठूस के डालते थे.
The small beats one, right? The small ones.
Yeah, that's one.
You never used to get the big ones.
And one of my friends, she used to collect so much because she was like really tall, so she used to shake it vigorously, and we used to collect and have it during class.
Who was she?
Ranju.
Difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. In June, lifting us higher.
Hi guys, finally had our lunch with with Nandadeep goodbye, and she's teasing me. Why are you teasing me?
Because you said, say hi, Nandadeep. Nandadeep, say hi.
I don't talk like that.
You do talk like that.
I don't talk like that.
You do talk.
Please behave like a 21-year-old girl.
बोल like तुम
Please
समझता नहीं.
behave like a 21-year-old girl.
As if you behave like a 25-year-old girl.
I behave like a 25-year-old.
I highly doubt. She's just joking.
No.
She's cray cray.
I'm not joking, guys.
She's cuckoo.
So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button to never miss an update whenever I upload. I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, peace.